Hello, today's video will be about how to pass a CSV file to a web method integration server and process the data. The first thing we need to do is to get the integration server to read the text file. There are a couple of ways of doing this, and for this video I'll be using the public getFile function. The getFile functions allow the integration servers to read the file that resides locally in the servers, on the same servers. So then after that, we can use the flat file convert to value functions to make the integration server read the data contained in the file and put it into an IS document. And then we can use the data how we see fit. So there are a couple of things that I have prepared in advance. First, a MySQL table. This table will be used to store the data thrown by the process that we will create. Also, I have prepared a flow process that will accept the data from the CSV file and put it into this MySQL table. So here is the flow. As you can see, it has two input, contract number and contract score. If you pass a new contract number, the flow will insert a new record to the table. And if you pass an existing contract number, it will instead update the record on the table. The next one is the CSV file. For this video, the file is located in the DA servers. You can put it on a network share if you want to, as long as the integration server service account is allowed to access the network share. So here's the CSV file. There. And the last thing that I have prepared is the package and the folder for the process. I have named the package WS file input. The first thing we need to prepare is the flat file directory, flat file schema, and the documents for the data on the CSV file. Right click on the folder where you're going to put the schema and document and create a new flat file directory. So on record definition, you click new. On the new record definition, you click new. Field definition, select the extractor type, select end field for CSV. Okay, finish. So we have a record definition and two field definition. Save. So next we're going to create the flat file schema. Since we're going to use CSV, so we're going to need to have a delimiter. For a record, it will be a new line, and for field, it will be a comma. And next, we go to flat file structures. Set the default record to the flat file directory that we have created previously. Select the record definition, and then click finish, and then save. select the record definition and create a document from the record definition. We should be presented with a new document that have the same structures as the schema. Okay, next thing we need to do is create the wrapper or the flow. As I have previously listed, we are going to use the public get file functions. Sorry. So in the pipeline, we need to set the value to the path of the CSV file, this one. So everything else is optional. And then we need to invoke the flat file, convert to values. So the FF data value will be from the bytes. If you use stream, you can also use stream here. And the FF schema is the schema that we have created previously. So you right click on the schema, select copy, there, and paste to the FF schema value. And also the next thing we need to do is use the documents here, like so. Okay. Don't forget to save. And the next thing we need to do is put a loop. Use the value of the document on the loop. Okay, and now we can invoke the process that I have prepared previously here. there. And then let's try this. Okay. Okay, now, so let's test it out. So this is the CSV file. Let's change this one to 66, and we add a new record here, a new data there. So let's okay. As you can see, there is no new contract with contract number 10107. Let's run the service. Okay. Let's see. There. The score for contract number 10106 has changed from 87 to 66, and now we have a new record with contract number 10107 with contract score 87. So there we go. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.